హాయ్ కిడ్స్, ఇవాళ మీకు నేను లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో నేర్పించాను కదా సర్కిల్ డబుల్ క్రోషేతో. ఈ సర్కిల్ వీడియో మీకు ఇప్పుడు ట్యుటోరియల్లా చేసి పెడతాను. జాగ్రత్తగా చూసి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, యాజ్ యూజువల్ ఎప్పట్లాగే we will do the chain of 6 as every time we do and form a circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6. After making chain of 6, we'll put our needle into the first chain and do the slip stitch to form a circle. You know, everyone know this already, right? So we formed a circle like this. Now on top of this we'll make chain of 2. 1 2. Now this chain 2 will be our stand like a first double crochet. So 11 more double crochets we are supposed to do now. So this is our second double crochet. Next, number 3. So double crochet you already practiced in the class. Whoever has doubts, please look into this. This is our third double crochet. So yarn over, put it upwards and put it into the circle and take it out of the circle. You will have 3 loops on your needle. Pull it out from 2 loops and again pull it out from 2 loops. This became your fourth double crochet. So 1. So this is your first one, chain 2. 1 2 3 4. Fifth one, fifth double crochet we are doing. Yarn over, put it into the circle, take it out of the circle, 3 loops on your needle, pull it out from 2, again 2 loops on your needle, pull it out from 2. One more. While doing it, your tail you have to keep it like this, roll it like this and do the double crochet so that it will come inside the circle. One more double crochet. One more. Let us count how many we did. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 last one 12. After completing the 12th double crochet, let us count it back again. Always make sure your count is proper. If your count is not correct for the first round, second round and third round, like that as you go on, if the count is not correct, your circle will not come out good and your work will not look good. It should always, the count should go correct. So let us count it back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 double crochets are completed and we are going to do the slip stitch. Whoever has doubt on the slip stitch, please see carefully. Starting we did chain 2, no? Chain 1, chain 2. Starting of the circle. There after chain 2 we have the third chain here. So we will put the needle into the third chain and pull the yarn and again pull it through this chain. This is called the slip stitch. After making the slip stitch, just pull this thread behind this center one properly, so, and spread with your fingers. Your circle should look flat, okay, because it is a silk thread, it tend to curl it up, but just always make sure you're spreading out with your fingers. Now make chain 2, 1, 2. From this in this round we are going to do 2 double crochets in each chain. So we did chain 1 here. Into the same chain we are going to do one more double crochet into the same chain. Okay, so 2 double crochets into the first chain. Now in the next chain, what will be the next chain? This one. This is our next chain. So into this next chain 2 more double crochets. So this whole round we are going to do 2, 2, 2, 2. So from total from 12 chains we are going to make 24 double crochets. So 2 more double crochets into this chain. Now we are working with this chain. Into this chain now again 2 more double crochets. 1, sorry, always make sure this thread is tight, otherwise it will come out. Again 1, 2, like that, 2 into this, 2 into this, 2 into this, like that till here. You are going to do 2, 2, 2 in everywhere, and total double crochets should be in this round how many? 24. Okay, I'll meet you at the end of the chain. Now kids, I am at the last 12th chain. We are going to do chain 2 in we are going to do 2 double crochets into the last chain. 1, 2. So I finished my last 2 double crochets, and let us count from here. Always spread with your fingers like this, it will look good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So total 24 double crochets are there. Perfect. This round is good. And we are going to do the slip stitch here. After you count and your count is proper, then only you do the slip stitch. Without counting, please do not close it with the slip stitch. Okay, now we are doing the slip stitch. Now see our chain, starting chain 1, 2, no, this starting chain we did. After this chain 2, we have the third chain here. Into this chain, see, like this, we are going to put our needle, grab the yarn, take it out from this chain, and again take it out from this chain. Our slip stitch is done, and this round is over. Now after this round, we are going to start our next round with chain 2. 1, 2. Okay, now in this round we are going to do 2 double crochets into one chain, 1 double crochet into next chain, again 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2, 1, 2, 1, like that we are going to do the whole round. Let us see. Now this is chain 1, 1 more double crochet into the same chain, next we are going to do single, only 1 double crochet into the next chain, only 1 double crochet. Hope you are getting the pattern. Okay, now one second, my yarn is tight. Yeah, fine. Okay, so we did 2 double crochets into the first chain and 1 double crochet into the next chain. Now again 2 double crochets into the next chain. So in this chain we are going to do 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 2 double crochets into this chain, 1 double crochet. So this whole round is going to be 2 1 2 1 2 1 like that. Now after the 1 double crochet thing into the next chain, 2 more double crochets. 1, 2. Okay. So into the next chain, 1 double crochet. 1. Like that the whole round is going to be now 1 2 1 2 1 like that. This round is going to be how many double crochets this round? 36. It's going to be like a 12th table. Here we made chain 6. With chain 6 we made a circle. Into the first round 12 double crochets. Into the next round 24 double crochets. Into the next round 36. Into the next round 48. Into the next round 60. Like that 12th table is going to repeat in the work. As much as the circle, how much ever big you want, you are going to increase like that. Now this round is going to be 2 1 2 1. Next round is going to be 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1. Like that your ones will be increasing in each round. Okay, I'll meet you at the end of the round. So kids, we are at the last 2 chains. Let me show you. Now this is 2 1. Next chain would be 2 double crochets. 2, and 1 into this 1 double crochet. And we are done. Let us now check it whether 36 double crochets are there or not. Okay, from here let us start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36. Okay, 36 double crochets are there. Now we are going to do the slip stitch. So our starting chain 1 2 and into the third chain we are going to directly put our needle like this. Grab the yarn and take it off from both the loops and do the slip stitch. Now to start with next round we are going to do chain 2. Always chain 2, because we are doing double crochets, we are doing chain 2. If we are going to do the circle with the single crochets, we are going to do only chain 1. Same thing you can do with the single crochets also. Make the circle with single crochet, then proceed. Same procedure is same. Do it with the single crochets. So in this round we are going to do 2 1 1 as I told you. So same into the same chain we are going to do one more double crochet, and into the next chain 1 double crochet, into the next chain 1 double crochet, into the next chain 2 double crochets. Here 2 double crochets. One, two, 2 double crochets. See, observe. 2, 1, 1, 2. Again, after 2, 1 double crochet. Next chain 1 double crochet. Now into the next chain 2 double crochets. Here 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Okay kids, so like that this round is going to be 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Like that we will complete the round, and it's going to be, this round double crochet is going to be 48. So I'll meet you at this 2 chains. Okay, so I'm at last 2 chains, that is I did 2 here. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and we will check the count once and do the slip stitch. 1, and another single double crochet into this chain, and let me count here from here, so that we should have only 48 in this round. If 48 are there, we can go and do the slip stitch. So let me count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Yes, 48 are there. We are going to close this round with the slip stitch. So chain 1, 2, and the third chain we are going to do the slip stitch into the third chain. Grab the yarn, pull it out from both the loops, and you are done with your slip stitch. Now this is how you have to proceed. Your next round would be after 48, your next round would be 60. So like that, if you want to stop here, you will stop here. Otherwise you will do next round chain 2 and do 1 more double crochet into the same chain, and 1, 1, 1, and then 2, again 1, 1, 1, and again 2, 1, 1, 1. If you want to proceed further into the next round, you are supposed to do this pattern. Okay, this is how we are going to do the circle. Okay, now we will conclude this here, and if you want to stop it here, what you're supposed to do is, I'm going to show you that. If you want to stop this round here, you're going to take out your yarn, pull it out like this long one, and you're going to cut the yarn here, leave a little bit longer tail, just tightly pull out like this, and we have to weave the yarn into this circle. The remaining yarn we have to weave it like this towards this side, so that it will not be seen. Always don't cut the yarn at the end. because it is a silk thread, it will tend to loosen very easily. So always always weave the yarn, leave the tail, long tail, and weave the yarn like this. See? Hope you are getting it. It will not be seen. Okay, till here it is okay. This much is okay. We can cut the yarn here. You can hot glue it also if you don't want this stitch to be seen. I'll do hot glue it at the end so that it will be this threads will not be seen. And this also you can weave it inside like this. Just pull it out tight and just weave it out inside like how we did for that one. Then it will look good. Okay kids, hope you all enjoyed the class and it is clear. Okay, if you have any doubts, please call me or WhatsApp me. I'll clarify your doubts. Bye.